Hey guys, Wire here. I thought we'd do something a little bit different. I picked this Barlow knife up at the flea market. It cost me $5. Thought we clean it up. It won't open up, so I'm gonna try a Magdad special on this. I know he likes doing the knives. I've never done one, so we'll see how this turns out. Anyway, let's get this set up and start working on it. Okay, let's try a little bit of WD-40 in the sides here. See if we can get it open. This one's coming open. Should be another one in here. Okay, the blades don't look like they're wore out, but they are a little dirty. And down here it says Imperial, Ireland, so we got a genuine Barlow. That's cool. And like I say, I only paid $5 for this. And I'm going to use this as my regular pocket knife. So let's get all set up and see if I can get this inside cleaned out. Get this all polished up. And we'll see what she looks like. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to squirt a little bit of WD-40 in here. I think I'm getting to the end of the can here. Use 1000 grit. Sandpaper in here. Let's see if we can get this clean. Sorry guys, my hand's in the way. Alright, seems like there's a lot of rust in here. It's coming out though. So let me finish this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I don't know if you can see that in there. But it's all nice and clean. It was all rust in there before. So that looks good. So let's work on the outside and work on these blades. Be right back. Okay, the blades don't seem like they're dull. They are sharp. They're just got some staining and rust on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with 120 grit paper and then go down to 1000 just to polish these up. So let's see what they look like. Get this little blade cleaned up. Get all the rust off of these. Okay guys, let me work on these a little more and let's see what we come up with. Okay guys, we're all through. It turned out really nice. And like I said, the edge is pretty sharp. All I did was I put it on a grinder just for a little bit, just to get an edge on it a little bit, but it wasn't dull when I got it. But it turned out nice, all nice and clean on the inside there. Polished up the sides. Turned out really, really nice. So hopefully, Magdad, this lives up to your standards. This is the first time I've done a knife. So like I said, I'm going to keep this. This is going to be my pocket knife. Let me give you a little bit of history on a Barlow. The first Barlow I ever owned, I got when I was about 11 years old. My mother picked it up for me. I bugged her all day for it, up at the 5 and dime Woolworths, back in the early 60s. And she told me not to cut myself. And damn, if I didn't have it 1 hour, and I cut a big gash in my finger. And she took it away from me for about 3 years, and she finally gave it back to me when I was 14. So I got a little bit of history with these Barlow knives. But anyway, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This is Wire. See ya.